Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you a simple Christmas hairstyle that takes less than 10 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. Thank you. The first thing you want to do is to comb your hair to the front. You can either use a comb or a brush. After spreading your hair out, you're going to gradually tuck it in. I added a Pro-Style gel at the end. You can use any gel of your choice. I'm gonna be repeating the process again, just in case you didn't get it the first time. And that's the end. Just in case you want to know where I got my necklace from, I got it from yemzibeauty.com. I'm gonna leave the website on the description box. Thank you. Merry Christmas.